Hello, it's Dwayne the Success King, and today I want to talk to you about something most people never think about. A small move that protects your money, helps you avoid sneaky charges, and keeps you on the path to financial success in 2026. It's called a burner card. Now I know what you're thinking. Is that like a secret spy card or something else? Well, kind of, but in real life, it's a smart and simple tool you can use to outsmart hackers, scammers, and even big companies that try to sneak charges into your account. So let's talk about what burner cards are, how they work, and how they can help you stay in control of your money in the times we're living in right now. But before we get to it, I want you to subscribe to this great channel. Like this video so that this can be sent out to many more people in this world of YouTube, and we can help many more people be successful in 2026. So let's get into this. Where are we in 2026? The financial reality. So we got to be real. Right now in 2026, everything is more expensive. Groceries, rent, gas, subscriptions, online services, even your streaming apps go up without warning. And with more people working online, banking online, and shopping online, it's easy to feel like your money isn't safe. Cybercrime is at an all-time high. Hackers are stealing card numbers, scammers are sending fake texts, and companies are charging people without permission. This is the world we're living in. And if you want to reach real financial success, you need a budget, but you need more. You need protection, because wealth isn't just about making money, it's also about keeping what you earn. That's why smart people today are using something called a burner card. And I've talked about this once before, but let me show you what this is. So, a burner card is a virtual credit or debit card. You don't get a plastic card in the mail, it's all online. It's a card number you generate through an app or a website. You link it to your real bank account or debit card, and you use it to pay for things online or over the phone. But here's the good part. You can limit how much money can be spent on it. You can set an expiration date. You can even lock it to one specific store or website. And when you're done using it, you just delete it. That's why it's called a burner. It burns out when you're done. So if someone tries to steal your information or charge you again, you're protected. The card number is already gone. Now, why burner cards are smart in 2026? Let's talk about why burner cards are more important now than ever before. Here's the truth. In 2026, your financial success depends on data, discipline, and defense. Let me explain why. Data. Every time you use your real card online, companies and hackers collect your information. Burner cards stop all of that. Discipline. Burner cards help you stay in control of your spending. You set the limit and stick to it. Defense. Burner cards are like a shield. They protect your money from fraud, hidden charges, and account takeovers. That's financial success in action. It's not just about getting more, it's about losing less. Think about this. Rich people don't just make better money moves, they make safer ones. They don't leave the back door open for someone to sneak in and steal. They build walls, alarms, and systems, and burner cards, they're part of that system. Now, when you use a burner card, let's break down where and when to use this card. 1. Free trials and subscriptions. Let's say you want to try a new fitness app, a music service, or a business tool. They ask for a credit card, even though it's a free trial. You forget to cancel. Boom, you get charged. But if you use a burner card with a zero limit or one that expires in 7 days, no win. You're the one who wins. No surprise charge, no stress. Number 2, shopping on new websites. Ever shop on a website you've never used before? Maybe they're legit, maybe they're not. If you use a burner card, your real account is never exposed. Even if the site turns out to be shady, your real card information is very safe. 3, booking travel or Airbnb hotels and rental sites. Sometimes they put extra holds on your card, or worse, they charge after your stay. With a burner card, you can set a limit so they can't charge more than agreed. 4, gifts and private purchases. Want to buy a gift but keep it very private? A burner card makes sure the charge doesn't show up on shared statements. 5, team or employee spending. If you have a business, burner cards are great for controlling spending. You can give your team a limit and shut it off when needed. Simple, smart, and safe. How do you get and use a burner card? Okay, so how do you actually get one? There are a few easy ways. Number 1, privacy.com. privacy.com. This site lets you create burner debit cards linked to your checking account. You can make up 12 free cards a month on their basic plan. Number 2, Capital One Enough. ENOLF. You have a Capital One credit card, you can create virtual cards for each store or transaction. Then there's Revolut, REVOLUT, Wise, and other fintech apps. These apps offer burner cards for global spending, travel, and budgeting. Using a burner card is easy. Sign up with the app or website, link your funding source, your debit or credit card, create a virtual card, set the rules, the amount, the expiration, one-time use or recurring, copy the card number, and use it at checkout. When done, pause it or delete it. You don't need to be tech savvy. If you can shop online, you can use a burner card without question, but you've got to set yourself up to do this. Now, how this ties to financial success. Let's go a little bit deeper. What does this have to do with building wealth? Let me tell you something that took me years to learn. It's not just what you earn that builds you success. It's what you keep. It's what you protect. And it's how you stay in control. Think about it. One missed subscription charge every month is $30 wasted. One data breach can cost you hours or thousands. One employee or vendor overspending equals disaster. Burner cards give you financial discipline. They give you digital control, and they give you peace of mind, which is priceless. They are a simple habit that builds wealth awareness. And in 2026, awareness is your advantage. Now, let me give you some examples in real life. Let me share a few real life stories. I used a burner card to sign up for a webinar tool for my business. I forgot to cancel, but the card expired after 7 days. They tried to charge me, didn't work. That saved me $119. I let my teen daughter use a burner card for school supplies online, one of my clients told me. I set a $100 limit. She couldn't overspend. And when the order was done, I turned it off. I had a contractor buy tools using a virtual card I set up. It was locked to one store and had a $200 limit, clean and safe. This is what another smart client did. These are smart money moves. These are success decisions, and you can start making them today. Now, there's some common questions. Number 1, will refunds still work? Yes, as long as the burner card is still active or linked to your account, refunds go through. Question 2, can I use burner cards in stores? Mostly no. Burner cards are best for online, phone, and app purchases. Some work with Apple Pay or Google Pay. Question, are they free? Many are free up to the certain number of cards, like privacy.com has a free plan. Your bank may offer free virtual cards too. Question, can I build credit with burner cards? No. Burner cards protect, but they don't help build credit. You'll need secured cards or personal credit accounts for that. But what burner cards do is help you manage your money better so you can build your credit the right way. Here's what I want you to do. Go sign up for a free burner card provider. Privacy.com is a great start. Create one card for a subscription or online purchase this week. Set a spending limit. Watch how it feels to have control. Make this a habit. Use burner cards whenever money leaves your account. Remember, We're not just building wealth, we're building wealth habits, and every smart move adds up. So listen, this world we live in, it's fast, digital, and sometimes dangerous, but you're not powerless. You can take control. You can protect your money. You can move towards success one step at a time. And using burner cards in 2026, that's one of those steps. So if this video has helped you, go ahead, hit that like button. Subscribe if you want more real talk about money, credit, business, and life success. And remember, wealth starts with wisdom. See you in my next video. Be blessed.